And we know that there are some storms to the north of us with a lot of lightning.
Yeah, they don't have to be severe to be dangerous.
Yeah.
And the lightning threat will be overnight into tomorrow morning as this line of storms continues to expand on its approach to central Texas. Some of them are severe, some of them producing a flash flooding concern. And this is all coming ahead of a cold front that will be slowing down as it moves into central Texas. We're not going to truly feel the colder benefits of the front, but we are going to get at least some beneficial rain, but also the risk for some strong and severe storms as well. Timeline arrival looks to be after midnight into portions of San Saba and Lampasas counties, closer to about 12:30 or 1. And then you can see by 2 more of the northern hill country getting storms. And after 2, 3 o'clock, we see some of those storms getting into the northern metro. I'm looking at you, Williamson County, also Milam County too, 3, 4 o'clock. And then once we get between about 4 and 5:30, we'll see those storms arriving in Austin and then continuing to move south into the early morning commute. This could mean, provided there's some heavy rain, which we expect there will be, that there could be some ponding and locally flash flooding concerns will be around just in time for that morning commute Wednesday. So maybe give yourself a little extra time tomorrow morning, and don't forget to watch KXAN News Today as we track the conditions starting at 4:30. By mid to late morning, we're drying out temporarily, even a little bit of midday, early afternoon sun. That could help lead to some additional pop-up downpours and storms, although unlikely to be severe. Those would come late afternoon and into tomorrow evening before we eventually dry out more permanently. So overnight rain coverage, 60% of us getting wet weather here tonight, favoring the hill country and areas near and especially west of 35. The farther east you are, the more uncertain the rainfall coverage would be. Overnight lows of 73. And then rain chances during the daylight hours of the day tomorrow at 40%. Highest early in the morning and again later in the night with some sunny breaks in the middle and a high of 92. The severe weather threat, it's a 1 out of 5 for Austin, really most of the metro and the southern hill country, but it's up to a 2 out of 5 for the northern hill country. While tornadoes are not a primary concern, they're at the lower end of the severe weather concerns here for tonight. Large to very large hail is a slightly higher risk, but our greatest threat is for damaging wind, especially again in the hill country. On top of that, a flash flooding threat. Northwestern metro and into the hill country at a 2 out of 4 risk for flash flooding overnight and into tomorrow morning. And it's in the hill country. We're expecting a widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain, locally higher amounts. Those amounts probably drop off to an inch or less in the metro, although it's certainly possible we get slightly more, and then even lower rainfall amounts in our eastern counties. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. We dry out Thursday, Friday, Saturday as temperatures heat up. We're up to 100 on Sunday, but Sunday night into Monday and Tuesday of next week, rain and storms return, and this could be the start of yet another wet weather pattern.